Mr. SEEBOHM, air travelers have to undergo quite heavy security controls at EU airports. Is this really necessary?
I'm afraid the answer is yes. We have seen during recent decades that air transport is a strategic target for terrorists and for terrorist organizations. The dramatic events of September 11, 2001 have shown us what can happen to citizens and to businesses if passengers boarding aircraft are not controlled sufficiently. Quite severe control techniques and procedures are therefore necessary to protect the traveling public and to maintain confidence in secure and safe air transport. We have established such measures at community level in 2002. The Commission has also a key role to play when controlling via a system of inspections correct and full implementation of these measures at all community airports. It is the combination of high-quality security measures and tough quality control which ensures that the security of air travel is not at stake in Europe. It is certainly true that these measures bring about some inconveniences for travelers and also for airports, but given the continuing terrorist threat, there is hardly an alternative to tough security controls at European airports.
Well, but isn't it possible to facilitate some of the security controls, such as those for dangerous liquids, for example?
Facilitation is a permanent challenge for our work, and we are working very hard to achieve this goal. We are now confident that a new generation of screening equipment will soon bring about significant improvements for travelers and for airport operators. In particular, we are working on the introduction of new technologies to detect dangerous liquids, which will, in a not too distant future, replace current restrictions by less burdensome control procedures. The recent adoption of a new framework regulation for civil aviation security has created better possibilities for simplifying rules and for phasing out some duplication which is currently existing in the system, by phasing it out through new technologies and by other means. I wish to stress, however, that Europe's internal one-stop security system is already now a considerable advantage for travelers and operators. It means that passengers departing from an EU airport don't need to undergo additional controls if they connect at another EU airport for the second part of their journey. We are currently working hard on extending this one-stop system to flights from like-minded non-EU countries such as the United States of America. Achieving this goal will mean a considerably more convenient air travel system in Europe in a not too distant future.